Tired of struggling to get every drop of juice from your citrus fruits? The 2-in-1 citrus juicer promises to make juicing effortless, whether you're squeezing lemons for your water or oranges for your favorite recipes. With 2 snap-on reamers designed for small and large citrus, this juicer adapts to your needs without missing a beat. I was skeptical at first, having tried several manual juicers that left fruit pulp and seeds in my glass or wasted juice altogether. But this juicer changed the game. The small reamer works perfectly on lemons and limes, while the larger one handles oranges and grapefruits without any fuss. It even extracts juice efficiently from cold fruit, which is a huge plus when I want a refreshing drink straight from the fridge. The comfortable grip and clear measurement markings up to 1.5 cups, 350 milliliters, make it easy to measure exactly how much juice you're getting, cutting down on guesswork in recipes. What really stands out is the drip-free pour spout, which keeps your countertop clean and your pouring precise. After juicing, the reamers snap off easily for quick rinsing or dishwasher cleaning, and they nest neatly for compact storage. Plus, the entire body is BPA-free, so you can feel good about what you're using every day. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-clean juicer that handles all your citrus fruits without hassle, this 2-in-1 citrus juicer is worth a look. It's perfect for anyone who wants fresh juice fast, without the mess or the bulk of an electric machine. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your juicing routine.